then causes, they're two sort of, in a way different, but also actually in a way similar. I think that any cause that you support or any brand that you endorse, like I said earlier, has to be an extension of what you believe in and what you stand for. So I think if you look at my portfolio of brands, I think most of them will be an extension of something that I believe in or something that I stand for. Mental health is what I'm looking at from a would you say, yeah, from a cause point of view, I think it's mental health, and we will be launching next month. And 10th of October is World Mental Health Day, and I think that's the day we're looking at launching the foundation officially. But we'll meet separately for that, and we'll talk to you about the plans on what the foundation is looking at doing over the next couple of years.
Deepika, given the fact that you have partnered with Axis now, and also the fact that you have had a tremendous run at the box office, don't you think you should officially become the highest paid actress in Bollywood now?
I'm sure she will, if she isn't already.
Are you, Deepika?
I wouldn't know, but what I can tell you is that I'm terrible at math, so number crunching is not my thing.
Thank you.
There are a few. Don't ask me to name what it is. I don't think that's right, because some people do, some people don't. Yes, there are certain things that I consciously stay away from.
Now, what is the significance of the word rhymes and the color green? How does it relate to banking?
So, as we said, this particular solution is, of course, something we want Axis Bank customers to use, but it is not restricted to Axis Bank customers. And it's really meant for anybody who's thinking about money, but wants to think about money in a fresh and different way. You don't want to be constrained by the boundaries that you've had before. Typically, when a bank comes and talks about anything, it's about their banking customers. It's about banking the way they understand it. And here we've taken a very different, fresh approach to thinking about people's money problems and how can we solve them. So if you notice, it doesn't say Lime from Axis Bank. It's just Lime. It's Lime, a fresh twist on how to think about your money. And we think it's really fresh thinking that we are bringing into the space of how you think about money and how money can make your life simple. And that's where the thought of lime came from, and obviously the color green is a lime color.
Ma'am, have you tied up with fashion brands?
No. No, I think lime is something that naturally comes to mind when you think of freshness.
Ma'am, have you tied up with fashion brands for the app?
There are apps which sell fashion online, and those apps are available for our customers when they log in through Lime.
How exactly does Lime pay for?
Suresh.
So it uses so the wallet creates a card structure. So it uses the traditional debit card structure to make those payments. I'm sorry?
Thank you so much. I think that was the last question.
I have one question. How come a lot of you are asking about a tie-up with a fashion brand? I'm just curious. I think 2-3 times that came up. Any particular reason?
So you can shop for pretty much anything, including fashion brands.
Right?
But you can shop on any site, and therefore you can shop for any product.
So Gopika, we've used technology for us to be able to enable our customers into multiple sites, including fashion sites, rather than go through the traditional route of tying up with each one.
Deepika, are you using the app? Is the app installed on your phone right now?
No, I will do it now. I think it's just gone live today.
Close.
So I'll do it now.
What feature of the app do you think could be something that you would really want to use the most?
Taking some money from my dad, maybe.
We can't leave you without asking the most popular question on interest rates. You've cut your deposit rates recently, and then you head for base rate cut.
I think we've got a very boring answer to that question, Gopika, that the base rate is fundamentally something that reprices all our lending, right? And 75% of our lending is linked to base rate. Whereas when we are changing the deposit rate, it's just changing the cost of the new deposits that we are raising. So it will take time. As the old deposits mature and new deposits come in, the cost of funding will go down and that will get passed on to customers. So we've dropped our base rate by 35 basis points in the last, since the monetary looses. Sorry? I think over the next couple of months there will be, and we review that in every ALCO, and we will continue to do that, and we will continue to pass on that cost reduction to our customers.
So that means it's not expected any time before the RBI is monitoring policy.
You'll have to wait and watch. You'll have.
Competitors have done, and they say that they've done this with the move to the marginal cost of funding formula, which the RBI wants every bank to take out. Is that
Suresh, let them.
So I think there's a discussion paper out there on the new formula that RBI is thinking about on base rates. And from our understanding of it, they are actually looking at it in a thoughtful manner to look at how the balance sheet's asset side has to get repriced and how the cost structure will move on the liability side. There's a discussion paper out there. Once it's finalized, it will be effective from April. We've been consistent in the way we've been looking at our base rates and changing them. So as our cost of funds have come down, we've done that. Even before the first repo rate cut happened, we had actually dropped our base rate because our cost of funds had come down. So we follow a very simple, disciplined approach of looking at our cost of funds and passing that on to customers, and we would continue to do that. If the regulation comes up with a different formula, we would obviously then need to move to that formula. But at this point of time, it's all up for discussion. So based on our understanding of the formula, it's not going to make a very significant difference to our base rate.
Alright, and SANS, without RBI really taking any action, some of the other big lenders are saying that anyways the base rate would decrease by 50 to 75 basis points for the banks.
And Rajiv, thank you all for supporting us. So that's it.
Thank you.